YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is a couple of the item that is from Papyrus. You can shop this at papyrus.online.com. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed. We got two of this happy birthday musical box. Boy, Mazik. Oh man, why they tape it up? This is made in China. And it says a warning, choke hazard, small parts for age 3 and up. So they tape this papyrus with the birds on here. I'm not sure why it says Taiwan ROC. So I guess I need to unbox this for you guys to check it out. Damn. Oh man, why they tape it out? It was not tape. So this is the same one too, so I don't want to ruin it because this is a birthday gift. Let me try to heat this up real quick and then I'll open up. I don't want to ruin the sticker. So yeah, I'll be back, okay? Alright, so I heat up the sticker and then I remove those two stickers. So now I'm gonna unbox this for you guys to check it out, alright? Wow, look at that. It says happy birthday with the birthday cake and candle on there, right? And I gotta take out this clear plastic protective. Voila, here is a music box. So this is pretty expensive. I cannot tell you the price. So here you go, right? Music box. And there's gold hinges right there. And I guess that's the serial number. There are 3 of the screws and then one of the hole for the music to come out. So you have to wind this. And then all you do is just pop this open and the music should come on. And this is a switch right here. And then this is magnetized. I guess there's a magnet right there and then a metal piece right there. So So this is a pretty unique present or gift. So both of them are the same thing. So I'm just gonna unbox one of this. All right. So I'm gonna tape it up nicely now. So if you want to know the price, you go to papyrusonline.com to check this out, right? And then they were having it on sale, buy one get one 50% off, but this is not one of the deal. So these are the boxes of the cards. Buy one get one 50% off. So this one says $15.95, and then this is another set of the card. And though she be but little, she is fierce. So this one is $16.95, so which is $1 more. Also, there are like 4 different kind of cards in here. Does it come with envelope? Yep, come with the envelope. Oh my god, and a sticker. Come with stickers. Butterfly pink sticker. One, two, three, 4, 5. 5 times 4, that's 20. So there are 20 cards in here. So that's one set. Love. So inside is a plan. You get to write your own message in there. All right, and then I have one final unboxing to show you guys. I thought this was a pretty nice piece. Should add it to my wife's collection, since her birthday is coming up in October. So this one is the bone color. So this one is made in China, imported by Huiyu Blanco Pico Rivera. And then you got this magnetized for you to close right here. And then there's a ring. It is kind of thick because it's come with this shoulder strap for you to wear crossbody. It is brand new, and then you got this you could adjust right here. So there are one extra hole only, so you gotta only have one position to adjust, since it's two of this pin right there. So let's close this. So this is what it look like when it's closed. Got this nice pivot gold decoration all around this shoulder bag or crossbody bag. And this one is pretty thick and heavy duty material, so that's why I want to get it for her, because she's pretty hard on her purses. See if this will last long for her. And this is a pretty nice design with this O-ring right here. So let's check out what's inside here. So you got this compartment right here. I'm not sure, for your credit cards or keys or your remote. And on the back here, there's a zipper with the back of the pouch pocket right there. And it also comes with this nice gold zipper. And then a pull tab right here, which is good. And you can zip it up so your makeup or your cell phone won't fall off by accident. Got the tag say made in China. Majority of everything is made in China and Vietnam nowadays, or right. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please make sure you like the video, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification, and drop any other comments on below. Anyway, this was 50% off was a pretty good deal. That's why I got it. I don't want to pay a retail price on this thing, so. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.